Yeah.
Shout out to Abby that's watching this on the couch right now.
Yeah. This is what live is.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my cousin Juanjoze, who also makes YouTube videos.
Thank you for inviting me. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching.
Oh wait, I need to go with the sponge.
Síganme en mi canal, o sea, ajá.
And Abby's gonna be like, mine too!
Me too, no tengo, pero...
Ahí búscame. ¿Se me ven las arrugas en la cámara o no?
I've already done my eyebrows.
Yeah, she already has done her eyebrows. Let's start with the primer, right? I think I know a lot of these things because I always watch her videos. So yeah, I know some things. So the primer, which is the primer? I think it's okay.
This is hand lotion.
And I don't even know
Yes,
this.
okay.
Oh, okay, first one was. Let me tell you something. This video was really expensive because we have production today. And this is the first time somebody like has done your makeup in your channel.
Yeah. Well, at all.
Yeah.
Dale!
But you have to look at me.
Okay.
I feel you're watching over there.
I'm looking at the camera.
This is moisturizer.
Yes. No, que primer primero.
No, es que yo no me acordaba si tenías. You're making like gestos. Like me holding your hair, like.
Again, like pushing it to my freaking face.
Is it like more like soft or is it more hard?
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna rub this in.
Okay.
What is my dog doing?
Producción, can you close the door? Yeah, that would be nice.
Abby, you can walk. Oh.
We won't put you in that
The crop.
Alright, next step.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, next step, it's primer, right?
Yeah.
Do we have to wait until that?
No, it's you know.
Oh. This is how beauty gurus do it, right? They put it on here.
Yeah.
This is like foundation.
No.
So this is primer. This goes like this, I think.
Hay que aceptar.
Ajá, y luego, pues cuéntame algo. Tenemos que hablar así como de algo.
Like what?
Ok, pues cuéntame, like, ¿qué, como que piensas hacer cuando ya llegues, like, super famosa a los 10,000 suscriptores o así?
That's gonna be in like 50 years.
You just hit like 1,000, that was really fast. This is really weird.
You're taking
And
forever. My nose! Dude, my nose is so sensitive.
The next step is foundation. And this is your shade, right? Nothing is
oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. I'm running out of foundation. Didn't you just wash your hands with that?
Yeah. I mean, but I didn't like all of it.
Dude, I think I'm out of foundation.
I see that.
Dang, I'm so unprepared. Espérate.
Con la brocha entonces. Okay, next step is foundation. Pero mírame, mírame.
Okay.
Close your eyes. El look es el que va a aparecer aquí en pantalla. Producción, fue el que me dijo producción que hiciera.
I thought we were filming in English, not Spanish.
Oh yeah, for real. Yeah, ahora like blend it like this, right? I think that's what beauty gurus do.
Be careful with my nose, bro. It's sensitive. It hurts.
Sorry, I'm not prepared for this.
I do remind you, Abby broke my nose.
Trying to be really gentle with you.
Really gentle.
I tried, like, the internet girls. Okay, so next step, it's contouring, yes or no? Is this? Just any brush in here, right?
Yeah.
I think that's it.
You didn't even put powder.
I mean, I was just like wiping it off. Okay, it's not a shiny one.
It's
for
like
sure.
so many shades.
No, it's like so many, so I'm like thinking which one is. Oh, I think I put a lot. Wait, ahora sé que te pegué. Déjame blend that shit. No me dejes hacerlo, mire este. A ver. Let me do my job. Ya cuando termine, it's gonna look so good. Whenever I finish, it's gonna look so good. I promise you, it's gonna look so good. I swear it's gonna look so good. Okay, no te puedes reír.
No, okay.
Like who?
I used to watch a lot of
People.
Cardi.
Okay, ahora like, dame setting powder. I'm setting your eyes and you haven't even... I forgot a concealer.
I don't have concealer.
Okay, you don't use concealer?
I do, but I don't have any right now.
Y creo que también aquí se pone. Santa.
Oh my god.
Ponerte más aquí porque creo que ya se fue. I don't know where it went. Yeah, it just like, disappeared honestly. Like I put it on and then it just went away. Okay, luego.
How many layers of powder are you gonna put?
I don't know. I was expecting you to tell me to stop. Según dejas.
Are you only gonna use one brush?
I think you left that for a couple of minutes, no?
You think?
Let me put some more foundation. Okay, so next step, eyeshadow.
Okay.
Pero voy a poner más foundation en your eye. Tenía powder. Let me use the other side. Like we have assistants también.
Yeah, she edits and films our videos.
For real. It's okay. Yeah, I can use this one. Jacqueline Hill. So I'm gonna be using this. I can't even open it. Okay, let me see the look that I'm supposed to make. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
No, that's way too dark. No, I'm gonna use this one. Let me look at them first and see what I have.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna use this as transition, right?
Órale, si sabe.
I look your, I'm like, well, sometimes I watch your video. I think that's way too much. Wait, that's way too much. What am I doing? Oh no, I don't even know which one I was using because all of them look the same. Yeah, I swear, they're all in this part over here.
This guy's mentality.
Alright, I think I'll this one. Si se mueve es su culpa de ella.
You're pretty good.
Coming from the beauty community. Whoa, that looks way dark, like way brown. I just fucked them up, bro. I need like this other brush. I can probably use this one. Let's see. I'm gonna use this color to pack it in the lid of your eye. Yeah. Y ya, está listo. Así te vas para el baile.
Oh god.
I'm scared to do this because like, I think I'm gonna fuck it up. How do you start? Like, let me give me like. No te muevas. You're moving your eye too much. If I fuck it up, ay, no puedo. Okay, let me hold your face.
Okay.
Okay, no pinta. It's literally not like wanting to like. I was so scared. I didn't get anything. Te pegué. A ver, ahora sí como más para arriba.
Oh, that tickles.
Does it look bad?
Keep going.
Okay.
Oh,
I feel like I was doing it like
I'm
like right
pretty
in the
sure
corner.
that got into my eye.
If you're liking how this look is gonna turn into, make sure to give it a like. Cause I'm not doing this for nothing.
You're nothing, alright?
Actually, we're gonna film another video for my channel, right? Where she's gonna be doing my Halloween makeup, and it's gonna look way better than this. Ay, wait. Te moviste. She literally moved on purpose. I noticed it. I noticed it. Like she did that.
You're gonna clean it?
I think I can fix this.
Okay.
Can you see? Can you fix that? Oh yeah. Ya no tienes nada. What the heck? This is the glue for the eyelashes. I've seen you using this all the time. And what lashes I'm gonna use? Whatever else. Just go Lourdes for 10%.
Sorry, I don't have a discount code. I keep looking at the monitor.
Estos parecen arañas. I think I'm gonna use this one.
You have to talk in English.
Yeah, no, for real. Alright, I'm gonna use these ones. I'm gonna use these ones. It's gonna be like really hard. It's every day, bro. Think tan. Oh yeah, tell me about it. Like, do you like the new series of Shane?
Yeah.
I really like them. Like, I really
How many seconds?
like 2. Would you? That's what I'm saying. You just like, and then like just put it on.
What happened about my nose contour and everything?
I know. I forgot about that. Okay, creo que ya sé qué es lo que falta.
I like my Squidward.
Are you sure it's here? Oh, this one?
Now grab a blush brush.
Well, you're not supposed to tell me. This one. Porque se ve más rosa que las demás.
Okay.
Está like por lado.
Yeah.
Okay. A ver, volteate. No, te descoñete horrible. No, ya te descoñete horrible, ya. You look like a fucking payaso. I'm gonna put some in the bottom lashes, some freaking eyeshadow. Porque I didn't put anything on there. We're gonna use this one. Alright, hook it up. No, this brush is way too big for that part. I need to use a little one. I don't know if you have this one. And now this one has red. I mean black on it. I don't know if I can fix this. Sorry, I'm not coming for the beauty community no more. Hey, no, esto tiene negro. Did you wash your brushes? You're giving me brushes that has color on it. Damn. That has color. That has black. Yeah. Alright, looks like I just hit you in the face so hard. I can't fix that with this. Ever? Ah, you look rough. You just look like you got a really bad night.
More foundation?
Yeah, I can fix it with some. I'm gonna try to fix this. Like, I'm going to try to fix it. That's good. I'm gonna try to fix this with more foundation.
Sorry, I had to get it harder so it covers up the fucking black.
That's true.
Wow! Oh my god.
Why are you shaking it?
I'm not shaking it. Espérate, mueve todo el pelo.
I'm out. I don't want mascara. I'm so scared. What'd you do?
I almost took the lash off. It's mascara.
Maybe you shouldn't do mascara.
Maybe we shouldn't do mascara, honestly. I'm telling you, the mascara was first, I think. Let me put some mascara in the bottom. It could have been worse. It's not getting anything, literally, like.
No, you put pink in my freaking highlighter!
You're not lying or your enemies now. T. When you do it's nice, but when I do it's really bad. We're gonna use the Anastasia lip. Actually, this looks kind of good.
I'm not gonna look like Barbie, am I?
A ver, como que bite your lips así poquito so it looks better. Come on, help me.
They're so dry.
Tell me what I did wrong and what I did nice. Like, tell me the truth.
It's not bad. You didn't put enough foundation on. Like
well, that's one thing that I didn't know.
The first time. I like the look. It looks nice. But you needed to darken it up. Yeah.
More?
Yeah. You didn't cut the eyelashes to the...
Well, I didn't know if I was supposed to do that anyway.
Yeah, my inner corner is not even stuck on.
Okay, but like from 1 to 10, like how much would you say that I did it good?
I would give it a 7.
A 7?
0.5.
No,
0.9.
it should be like an 8. I feel like I did such a good job. Nobody could
7.9. 8.1.
You gotta give me an 8.
8.1.
8. So this is the final look, guys. This is how I did the hair makeup today. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to give a lot of thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to check out my video that we're gonna do in my channel, where she's gonna be doing my Halloween makeup. It's really good, trust me. You have to come check it out.
And we haven't even done it yet.
So yeah, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to her channel, come to my channel.
Well guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and thank you Juanjo for being on my channel.
Oh yeah, thank you for inviting me.
I'm so fucking fake. I'm just kidding.
Fake laughs in Spanish.
And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give it a like. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, go watch my video, the one video that we do in my channel. Link down below in the description box. And yeah.
Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time.
Bye.
Bye.